Happy Friday, everybody. Michael with Craft Beer Drinker, bringing you another video of a craft beer from around the country. Today, we are going to look at Belching Beaver Brewery, located out of Vista, California. Get a kick out of that name. I went ahead and ordered a shirt and sticker from them. Check out that sticker. Check out the short. It'll show you the back of the shirt. It's pretty unique. Before I get started on this beer, which is another West Coast IPA, I want to give a little background of the page. Again, my name is Michael with Craft Beer Drinker. I want to welcome everybody to today's video. The type of content that I like to put out on this page basically is each week I put out a video and it highlights a different craft beer from a different craft beer brewery from around the country. I don't focus on any particular style of craft beer. I randomly go to my local craft beer distributor, whether it be Specs, Total Wine, even local grocery store, H-E-B and Kroger, that sells similar craft beers. I randomly pick beers, and every Friday grab one out of the cooler and pick it, do a little bit of a research online about the brewery and the beer, but I don't like to do a lot of research as far as tasting and smells with the beer, because I want that to just come natural. I want my opinion, the flavor notes and the aromas of the beer to come natural to me and give my honest opinion. So that's what we do on this page. We highlight craft beers. If you're interested in this type of content, please subscribe to the channel, Craft Beer Drinker. Give it a thumbs up, like. I welcome any and all positive comments, especially if beers that we highlight on the page, if you've enjoyed those, or if you've had them and not enjoyed them, please send me a comment about your thoughts of them, and I would love to hear it and love the feedback. But without further ado, let's get into talking about Belching Beaver Brewery. They were established in Vista, California back in 2012. They currently have a little over 170 employees, and they produce something like 44,000 barrels of craft beer a year. They currently, I got my cheat notes here real quick. They currently distribute beers in Alaska, Texas, Arizona, Hawaii, California, Nevada, Utah, Colorado, Wisconsin, Minnesota, Idaho, Oregon, and Washington. They have 4 different venues that you can enjoy their craft beers at, located in California, throughout California. I believe all venues are dog friendly, and they do have either food trucks or they have a restaurant type style of food that you can get at these different locations. They have one in Oceanside called Oceanside Brew House. Their hours are Monday through Thursday from 3 to 9 p.m., Friday 3 to 10, and Saturday 12 to 10, and Sunday 10 to 9. Their Vista, California location is called Tavern and Grill, Sunday through Thursday 12 to 9, Friday and Saturday 12 to 10. They also have a North Park Tasting Room in San Diego, California. They're open Monday 3 to 9, Tuesday through Thursday 3 to 10, Friday and Saturday 12 to 12, and Sunday 12 to 9. And let's not forget their last location, Pub 980, located in also Vista, California. Sunday through Wednesday, 11:30 to 8, Tuesday 11:30 to 9, Friday and Saturday 11:30 to 10. One thing I love about this brewery that I saw online, their motto is "Have fun making great beer." So it's a great motto. Love it. I love the enthusiasm. I'll leave a link to their website in the description of the page. It is belchingbeaver.com. with that, let's dive off into this beer. No Worries West Coast India Pale Ale. Check him out. Little beaver sitting on a float. No worries. Just a relaxing good time. A little bit about this beer that I pulled off. It comes in at 6.2% alcohol by volume. It is another West Coast IPA. I believe this will be the second or third West Coast IPA that I've put out on this channel. So check those other videos out if you would. Some of the info that I pulled off on the page. This comes with tropical fruit and a dankness to the taste. Well, excited to dive off and see what I think about that. The hops that they've put into this are the Strata, Galaxy, Mosaic, Citra, and the Amarillo hops. Couple of awards that they've actually won. Whoa, oh goodness. Uh-oh. It got shook up somehow. Wow. Big beer fell. Terrible, terrible, terrible. Not sure how that got shook up. It's been in the fridge. But we're just going to deal with it. I hate wasted beer. What a foul. Man. Ugh. Hate when that happens. Hold on. Okay, we're back. Man, what a failure. Sorry about that, guys. First time for everything. Not sure what happened there. The beer never got shook. I don't know if it got shook at the store before I bought it and then something happened, but unfortunately we had a bit of a failure, as you saw, but we did save some. We're gonna give it a taste, recover from that accident, and see how it goes. Definitely a high fruity aroma smell. You can almost like I'm getting almost like a tangerine-ish aroma from it, and definitely you can tell that it's an IPA. Not a strong IPA, 6.2%, like I said. Kind of a typical light color that an IPA is going to present. Well, let's skip all the formalities and let's just give it a try. Mellow. It's got a little tanginess, some type, not like a citrus. It's almost like a tangerine citrus note to me in the flavor. Definitely get a hops taste to it. What other note am I getting in there? It is, they stated a tropical fruit, and it is a fruity type flavoring. Not overpowering, but I like the mix with that fruitiness with an IPA. It's not. I'm not getting a typical grapefruit hint. It's almost like a orange peel or a tangerine note that I'm picking up. They said there was a dankness note to the aroma. I can pick that up a little bit. Fruit. It's just a some type of citrus style fruit I'm picking up on there. Picking up the variety of the hops. I've had other IPAs with the Galaxy and the Mosaic hops, so I'm definitely picking those up. Not overpowering. For somebody starting out, Again, this would be another one coming in at 6.2%. Mellow. It's citrusy, light, real easy. Somebody wanted to start out, there's just this whole thing about IPAs and people really just not liking them, or it is an acquired taste. I will tell you that. Definitely, if you're not into citrus notes, grapefruit notes and stuff, you're not going to enjoy IPAs. This channel is not solely focused on IPAs. Play no favorites. I do enjoy IPAs, but we're going to be focused on all varieties of craft beer. I like how light this is, refreshing. It bodes well with the design that they went with. I could see floating the river, sitting at the beach, summertime. This is a year-round beer that Belching Beaver Brewery does provide. Couple of awards that they've won with this particular beer. 2021, they won the Gold Award at the International Beer Cup in Japan, and the Silver Award in the Australian International Beer Competition in 2022. Back in Japan, another gold medal for the International Beer Cup. So definitely an award winner. Another 4 out of 5 stars for me on this one. Very light. Mellow, does have some fruity hint, not sweet fruity, but you're getting that you're getting that fruitiness taste at the very beginning. To me, I'm picking up like a tangerine or some kind of orange peel note. It's not bitter. You are going to get the hop because of the various hops that are blended into this beer and being a West Coast IPA, but not overpowering. But yeah, I like it. Definitely 4 out of 5 stars, definitely. Very easy drinker. And I would recommend this one, definitely, for sure, to go out and try to see if you can find this No Worries IPA, West Coast IPA from Belching Beaver Brewery. They're based out of Vista, California, but they distribute their beers all over the country. If you get a chance, if you're visiting in California, stop by one of their 4 locations that I mentioned earlier in the video. You'll be able to see the variety of taps that they have for you to try. I'm sure they do flights of beer, so you don't have to just try one. You can get a variety, get you some grub while you're there. They are pet friendly. But yeah, want to apologize for that beer fail earlier. I hate wasting beer, especially when it's a good beer like this one. My apologies for that. Not sure what happened. Somehow the can was under pressure. You just don't know, but I do know moving ahead, I guess I'm going to tap it and check it or open it before I do the videos. Regardless of that, thank you for taking your time to watch the video. Again, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel so you can watch the other videos that we put out each and every week. If you do drink, please drink responsibly. Enjoy your craft beer with your friends and family. Go out, venture, experiment with your craft beer tasting. Believe me, there's so many breweries out now from around the country. Like I said, we're putting out content each and every week. Just all over the gamut here. We're based out of Texas, but in no way are we going to be focused on just Texas breweries. I am a little partial, obviously, but again, Belching Beaver Brewery, based out of Vista, California. Check him out. If you can, go find you the No Worries IPA. I think you'll really enjoy it, especially if you like a light, refreshing West Coast IPA. I think you're going to enjoy this one. We'll see you on the next video.